Hello, good morning, Sue here from Sue's Dog Broadmouth Kitchen Stroke Garden in the polytunnel again today. So it's the 12th of January 2021 today, and I just wanted to show you, because I don't know if I've already done it. I don't think I did. I think I nearly put the video up, but then I didn't for some reason. And I've got so many videos on my phone, I have to delete them. I've got too many now. But I just wanted to show you today my seeds that I've done on my table here, and what they are, and the ones I've done already. So I hope you find this interesting. It's only going to be a few minutes long, this video, I think. I might make it a bit longer if I join something else on the end. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you what I've been doing. Okay, so bear with me while I turn the camera around. Hello again, sorry, it keeps cutting out my phone. So in here I have some Egyptian turnip, it's beetroot actually, basil in here. These are my canes that I bought from up the road for my raspberries, which are late flowering ones, late fruiting ones, August, September time I think they are. So they're going to be going outside. And then back here we have some carrots that I started. They're not really doing much at the moment. And in here we have some Moneymaker tomatoes, which are just starting to come. So I keep them all covered up in these boxes. And down here is my rhubarb that I bought from up the road as well. So I just wanted to show you that, so I can show you the progression of our garden, the polytunnel, and what I've done so far. And over here are our little babies, which are doing fine. I think I showed them yesterday when I showed you the garden, what I've done with the earth. But they're doing fine. They're just sitting there waiting, but they're not dead. Nothing's eating them, so no slugs. So they were a test really to find out if they would get eaten by anything. And the frost hasn't touched them at all, so I'm really pleased. Anyway, it's really warm in here. Anyway, hold on, recording. Hello again, sorry about that. It's hard on my phone trying to video, I must say. I find it really hard. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you the progression of the polytunnel and what I've done today. And today I'm going to be doing some work outside. I just want to clear an area. So I'm just going to show you quickly the area that I'm just going to put some mulch down on quickly before my phone goes off again. Okay, so I'll show you that in a second when I get over to the area. Hello. So I just wanted to show you the area. I just want to put a bit of mulch on here today. So what I'm going to do is start at this corner here. I need to saw off this branch for this rhododendron here, because it's really old, this rhodie, and I trimmed it right back this last year, at the end of last year, and I just need to tidy up the rest of this. So I'm going to cut off them branches there, any of them that are hanging down, and then I'm just going to chop this rhodie down here, tidy up this bit of garden here, tidy all this up, tidy this up. I've already cut all these bushes back because they were taking over the whole area, and I want to actually put some more things in here this year, some different plants and a couple of more trees and nice ornamental flowers and stuff. So I don't really want all these bushes taking over the whole area. So as I'm working my way up the garden, you can see it's quite messy now. All these plants have all died back, and I've got a load of debris in there that I need to clear out. And this one here is really spiky, and I need to trim that one back. And then as I move further down the garden, it gets more and more jungly. So we've got loads and loads of this periwinkle here, which I need to pull a lot of it out, because it's taken over the garden. And then we've got loads and loads of logs stacked in here. I've trimmed up some of these plants. I need to trim up the buddleia there. It's taking over a bit. This one I trimmed back up in the autumn, but I might trim it up again because I don't want it growing too big. I want the plants to stay quite small, apart from that holly there. This one needs trimming up. And then basically I'm working my way down the garden. It's all a bit of a mess. Look at how messy it is. And then here we have a pond, and in there we have loads of wildlife. There's loads and loads and loads of wildlife in there. I don't ever disturb it, I just leave it. pull out some of the weed, give it to my fish indoors. And then this area here all just needs a good old clear up. So that's my job. Well, it's a big job, but I've done loads of it already, but not that you would ever know. And then after I've done all that, I'll show you when it's done. I'm going to work on this side. This is as well as doing inside the polytunnel, by the way. So I'm also doing this as well as the polytunnel. So this whole area, all these need clearing up now. All of this needs cutting, tidied up. All these brambles need to come out. And this is the best time to do it now, is to, you can see what's what you want, what you don't want, and just clear it all up. Make it nice and tidy, and then I'm gonna be planting some more nice flowers and stuff. This is my ornamental garden, so I want loads and loads of flowers in here this year. So I want to keep the brambles and everything under control this year, because last year they got a bit out of control, and I don't want that this year. So I'm going to be like really getting rid of all the brambles in here. I don't need them over here. I have plenty of areas I can have wild brambles, but this isn't one of them. So there we are. So I just wanted to show you that quickly, so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll keep you updated. So what I'll do today is I'll show you the bit that I'm doing, and then once I've done it, I'll show you what I've done today. Okay then, so bye for now. Bye. Just do this in a second. Right. Hello again, Sue here from Sue's Dull Broadmire Kitchen Garden today. Stroke kitchen garden. I just want to show you what I've been up to for the last few hours. It's now nearly 4 o'clock, and I've been doing this since about 12. So what I've done is I've taken the bed in Anu's house, out of Anu's house, his bedding, and I've put it in here. So it's the stinky bedding that I've kept because I want to use it as a mulch for my garden. So I've just cleared out as many weeds as I possibly can out of here, and I've just been laying it down on here. Anu's been with me the whole time. He's just at the front of the house now, and you can see where I still need to work. So along there, I've cleared under that roadie there, that great big one there, and I'm just clearing along here, and then I'll work my way up there. And then round this side, I need to cut off a couple of these branches here because they're a bit big, like there, look. So round this side, I haven't finished this bit yet. I did clear this before Christmas, but I think there's a mole in there, so I'm going to flatten that out. And then I'm just going to tidy this bit up a bit, pull out the bindweed actually. So I'm trying to pull out as much as that as possible, and then just put this mulch down on here. And then there's this little holly that I've already cut. I've trimmed all this. This is all trimmed up, and I trimmed all this before Christmas. I trimmed all these bushes up. So I'm working my way down here now, and then I've got to go all the way along there, tidy all that up, all the way down to the end of the garden. I've got another bit of garden at the end as well, which is a herb garden. But yeah, so there's a lot to do here, but I do a little bit at a time, and then if it's raining I do some work indoors, so because we've got to do some decorating and stuff indoors. So if it's raining I work indoors, and if it's not I'm working outdoors. So, and also I've got the polytunnel to start looking after as well now, so that will be great. So that's what I wanted to show you today. So that's what I've been doing for about 5 hours today. What I do is I just get a cushion, and I just use a hand fork and a pair of snippers, and I just do it all with a hand fork, no bending involved, because I can't stand trying to there's loads of roots in here from the trees, like this rhodie and that bush and all these bushes. So if you try and fork it, all you do is end up pulling up loads of roots. So if you use a little hand fork, it's much easier. So that's what I do, and I just have a kneeling cushion, and I just do it slowly. I work across, and then I was laying the old bedding down as I was doing it, and that's what I do. So just keep your workload easy. That's what I do, because if I look at it like as a whole, there's so much to do, and I just wouldn't be able to do it all if I just looked at it as one great big whole. I would just be like, oh my God, look how much work I've got to do. But literally, once you clear away all this debris, this dead leaves here, they just look awful now. But they didn't die till just before Christmas, actually. I left them as long as possible, because if you leave them as long as possible, they're really easy to pull out. And I've just been cutting back all this stuff, so it looks worse than it is actually. The only thing that is quite hard work is this periwinkle, to pull out some of this periwinkle here. But I've got to do it. I've got to pull some of it out because it becomes really invasive. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's quite invasive. And then just trim up, I think this holly, just a little trim, but this one I'm going to cut down by half, so this needs to come down. This is too big, so I'm going to get my partner to come and cut that. That's about 3 bushes all in one, all intertwined. It is beautiful, but it's just getting a bit big now, and it blocks the view from the back of the house, so it's nice to just cut it. And that's it. So I just wanted to show you what I was doing, and then all of this bit over here still needs doing. And I want to clear this path down here. We've got loads of logs down there, but I need to clear this bit here and tidy it up. I showed you that earlier. And all over there, I've already done all that bit over there. We've got mulch everywhere, so it's not as hard work. But it's just this bit that it just looks awful, really. But it really, you'll see, it doesn't take that long to do. Once you start pulling this stuff out, and it looks really neat and tidy. Then it looks, you can see all where the plants are growing and what's what. Anyway, okay, so I just wanted to show you what I'd been doing. So yeah, so I'm not at all tired, by the way, because I kneel down and do it, and I take my time. I don't sort of make my back ache or anything like that. I try and do everything small and that's what I do. So I don't kill myself when I'm gardening, because I used to, but now I just take my time and just do a little bit at a time. And if it rains tomorrow, then I won't come out. I'll do something indoors. I've got paperwork to do. There's always stuff to do here, so I never, ever, ever get bored. And once my polytunnel, you know, I'm doing my polytunnel now, so I'll be doing loads of seeds next month. So I just wanted to show you the progress of my garden and how hard I actually work on it. And I will show you the progression of it as I do it. So please give me a like and a thumbs up if you're enjoying my video, and subscribe to my channel and tell your friends and family about my channel. And I hope you enjoy my video. I'm really sorry if I keep not looking at the camera. It's really, really difficult when you can see your face. So it's really hard to look away from where your face is. So thank you for watching, and goodbye for now. Bye for now. Bye.